The choice is that you can become a victor or a victim.
It was super awesome. If you are in business, if you're a small business owner getting started or trying to grow your business, this workshop was really helpful.
And if you say your business is shit, guess what it's going to be? It's going to be shit. If you say my customers are dingbats, guess what they're going to be? Dingbats. My team are idiots, they're going to be idiots.
Any stage of life cycle in your business, it will definitely improve your profitability, it will improve your lifestyle, personal lifestyle. You will have more time for yourself rather than working as a slave in your own business.
Two directions you can go. I'm going to try to do this all by myself. Yeah, I've been trying for 20 years, but what's another year? Because what's the definition of insanity? Doing the same thing and expecting different results. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Or you can say, you know what? I think Atari's right. I think I deserve massive results. I think I'm ready. I think I want to take my business to the next level. But I want to partner with somebody who has done it and has got a team of 1,000 coaches and all that intellectual property to help me to do that. Because I don't want to do this journey by myself, because business by yourself is lonely.
If you are in business and you want to get some insights into how you can grow your business and achieve your goals, I would absolutely recommend Tony. I will certainly be talking to him.
But it's not just about the business itself, it's about how you run it. And if you want to learn more about how to run your business better, you've got to see Tony.
And it was unreal. If you're looking to scale or leverage your business, then I'd highly recommend getting out this way.
Then one day, that man decided to change himself. And when he did that, he changed his world. Because sometimes you might say, man, I wish my brother was here. He needs to hear this stuff.